Calling a Databricks notebook from Azure Data Factory integrates data processing workflows across Azure services. Here's how to set it up. Create Azure Data Factory. Navigate to the Azure portal and create or open your Azure Data Factory. Set up a linked service. In ADF, go to the Manage tab and create a new linked service. Select Azure Databricks from the options. Provide the necessary information, including Databricks Workspace URL and Access Token. Generate the token in Databricks under User Settings, Access Tokens. Create a pipeline. In the Author tab, create a new pipeline. Click Plus New and select Pipeline. Add Databricks Notebook activity. In the pipeline, add the Databricks Notebook activity. Drag the Databricks activity from the Activities panel to the pipeline canvas. Configure the activity by specifying the linked service created earlier and the path to the Databricks notebook you want to run. Set notebook parameters. If your notebook accepts parameters, you can set them in the Base Parameters section of the Activity settings. Configure cluster settings. Choose an existing Databricks cluster or configure the activity to create a new cluster with specified settings. Run and monitor pipeline. Save and publish the pipeline. Run it manually or set up a trigger for scheduled runs. Monitor the pipeline's execution in the Monitor tab to ensure the notebook runs successfully.